Hello everybody, this is another hotel review. So we're staying at the Grand Legacy at the park, and if you can see up there, it has a rooftop bar, and right across the way is, you can see Guardians of the Galaxy right there. So it's a quick walk right across the street. And then on the right, we stayed at the Tropicana, and the Hojo is right down there. So once you check in with the car, the lobby's over here. And once you start getting close to the lobby, you can smell like coconut. It smells really good. So once you're in, this is where you're gonna go to the elevator to the rooftop bar. And then here's the lobby. Check in. So here is the rooftop bar when you come out of the elevator. They don't open till 5 o'clock, but they do have a bar and a restaurant that you can get reservations. But when you're on top, look at the view. There's Guardians, there's DCA, and then over there you can see the Matterhorn and Space Mountain. It's really pretty at night with all the lights. We're gonna go back down because they're closed. And it's just the elevator. And then once you're in the elevator, there's a button that says, I think it's the 5th. That's what it says. Yeah, so once you're in the elevator, it says the 5th. Here's the lobby. Smells good. Got a nice mural. Grand Legacy. You park yourself. It is $17 a day to park. So there are elevators in the corner over here, and there's 2 stairwells. So if you need an elevator for your stuff, you have to go way in the corner over here and then walk back if you're up here. We're in room 212 up there. There was plenty of parking, you can see, so we didn't have to valet. There is a pool, so it's open from 8 to 10. I think I have to use my card to get in here. Yeah. Over here they have cannons. Looks like they have timers on them, so that would be fun for the kids. And then they have like a little area over here. I don't want to get too much of the pool because there's some people and some kids in it. I don't want to record them. So here's the stairs up to the room. We're down here. The only thing that I've noticed it's a negative, when people roll their luggage past your room, it's pretty loud and you can hear it. Here's our room. So when you walk in, there's 2 beds. They are full beds, right? They're full beds.
Yeah.
Full beds. There's 2, one's right next to the window. And then in between you have a light, and we have 2 plug-ins and then 2 more plug-ins. We have our phones charging. And there's no USB, right? Did you see any? No USBs. So it's just the plug-ins. There's the other bed. And then have a nice mirror right here. It's kind of nice. And the air conditioning is right here. They have a dresser looking. It's got the ironing board. No. Yeah. It's got the ironing board in here. The iron. And then you can hang some stuff up. It does have a luggage holder And then you have a seating area with table and light, and then the phones. Other phones over here. We have 2 phones. Is the phone over there?
No.
Oh, the phone's over here, not over there. It's usually over there. So the TV, it's got Keurig. Is that French vanilla? It's got decaf, Columbia. And then a microwave. Does have a fridge. It's nice. Drawers, and then our luggage is back there. TV, and then check out the bathroom. Bathroom is a nice shower. Sink, toilet, mirror. Kind of small. This is a Good Neighbor Hotel, so it's right across from Disney. It's about $280 a night, which is pretty reasonable. So the pool is over there. You can see it's nice. And then that's the way you walk out to the street to Disney. Oh no, it's pretty good.